Health Tech Alley's been a resident company here for about 4 or 5 years. And about a year and a half ago, we started a data science apprenticeship program focusing on youth, so high school seniors. One of the people we discovered was Manpreet. We had 5 youth in our program, and it's been a fantastic ride. We've had great support from the MIC and HCEDA. And the whole idea is to bring career opportunities to early career seekers.
MIC doesn't make somebody feel like younger or older either. Age wasn't the matter. It wasn't even like a matter of what you do, what you don't do. Everybody just gets together. And us as young kids,
Yeah.
we really fit. I felt like I fit in.
Well, you did a good job too of getting out into the community. So we've had you on site at a couple locations. You weren't just coming into the office, you were getting into the community and looking for opportunities.
That's exactly how I discovered Dino. Networking with you, it kind of like all the paths aligned with my work from Greg, and then all the work from the electric charging and stuff.
Yeah.
It's all interconnected.
Yeah, so now we kind of take some of the things you learned in a classroom environment and now able to apply them into a real world practical experience. And the interesting thing is that I didn't know that we needed you, but I see what is happening in the environment in terms of technology. You showed us in the early stages how we could embrace this, right, and take it to the next level. So I am like exceptionally excited about this and thankful for everybody's input to get in here.
Yeah, and the place that makes it all happen, bringing us all together. So thanks to the MIC.